Yeah, some of them companion have all kind of something to say. Some of them say me satanic, some of them say me are the devil, some of them say me a clown. They talk all kind of something, but it doesn't fade me. Because some of the people behind the attack, you want to see for them life. You want to see the road of them a walk. Some of them really pay in the mind because I know them can't stop me. Talking is talking, but after the talk, then you have to do the walking. And the walking is a must. So we not watch no face, we not watch nobody. We just take it one life, one step at a time. But one thing, nobody can fool me easy because I'm not easy to fool. No, Baba, I'm not easy to fool at all. One thing with me, I'm not easy to fool, yeah? So, God is good, and His mercy always endured forever. It's a wonderful evening, and it's the last after summer. And soon after that, we're going to feel some cold, so till we body freeze up. It's going to be very cold. And all of that. So God bless, and it's back to school. Everyone knows back to school. Everyone getting busy for the kids to go back to school. And you have to pay attention to your business, to your life, and get your kid back to school, because that's important. It's very important to pay attention to the children. Okay, so God bless you tonight, and have a wonderful night. I'm going to try to go in soon because the night started to come down. And I'm not a ghost, I'm not afraid of the night, but I like to get inside before it's dark. I have no business on the street when it's dark outside. Big up on yourself. I love you guys. I want to know I love you. I hope today I have something I say could bring some kind of knowledge and understanding to all. I love you guys. I'm not perfect. I'm just a human being. But I love life and I love people, and I don't believe in worshiping the devil. And no one is going to accuse me of worshiping the devil, because I love God, and God is the only one I will love, and I will worship God, because I'm not a Christian, but I'm a strong believer in Jesus Christ, our living God. So when people attack, sometimes I never pay them in mind, let them go and talk. But big up on yourself, I'm a lover now, all over the world. Let peace be our life. Let love be our life. Okay? Because we no telling if we're going to wake up tomorrow morning. No telling what tomorrow is going to bring. But one thing we know, if the last thing we can say goodbye is that I love you. I love you, and may God be with you and your family. Let me come on and criticize. It doesn't make a difference. I love you. I love you. And it's only love can conquer my heart. Only love can conquer my soul. So big up on yourself, I don't know that already. And as me there right now, so time for me go home. Some of the take a little of the thing. It's beautiful. Park behind me, it's very, very beautiful. Very, very nice. See that? I love it. It's beautiful. God creation is always beautiful. Anything God creates is always beautiful. Beautiful. What God creates is always beautiful. No matter what I'm saying ugly, anything God creates, always pretty. Yes, baby. And that me say. So big up on yourself. And I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to get ready to roll. I love you guys. Have a wonderful night. Jamaica, Toronto, Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana, West Africa, California, Amsterdam. Big up on yourself. And I love you guys. Have a great and a wonderful and wonderful night. Good night.